fans, they're good tippers.
We're taping the sound check.
Check 1, 2. Can everybody hear me?
And you've probably heard him on New Jersey 101.5.
Good.
Please welcome Jay Black.
Just the whole crowd right here tonight, that's it? Oh, you all dressed the same too. Penguins, exactly. This is the greatest staff that works here at the State Theater. Seriously, is the best staff. Like tonight, is the best staff for tonight's show in the State Theater. Each and every one of you like the best. It's all women? That's nice, I like that.
Wait a minute, not all.
Oh, where'd that guy come from? That's one of the Muppets. Where's the other guy? Are you Stacker or Walter? Waldorf, whatever. Abe Lincoln will be joining us soon.
Please welcome Vic Dibitetto.
Hey! Take care of my fans, they're good tippers.
Dino. Say hi, Dino.
Hi, Dino.
That was it?
Yeah, I mean, we got a whole crowd of, how many, 1,200 people waiting to come in?
Yeah.
Sold it out, baby. This is just the staff. Like the staff that Moses had.
Shut up.
Sit down. Here we have a stool.
All right, explain what's on. Tell us what's on.
This is
stage.
the stoolage.
Explain how this is your office.
This is my office.
Yes.
This is the stool, and
Yes.
you need a stool with bottled water. So there's me and Jay Black.
Right.
So you need 2 bottles of water.
Now what's that?
Preferably none with any label on it. So that they could have got this from.
Regularly performs in Las Vegas and Atlantic City.
And what is
That was
this-
Russell talking.
What is this tall thing right here?
This is a microphone stand.
Is that part of a normal office?
It holds the mic.
I see. And,
And
then
it's a wired mic.
what is this big area called?
This is the stage. This
Yes.
is the stage.
Yes.
That's the curtains.
Yes.
And behind you is the audience. That's where the people sit. There's rows and aisles and look at the decor and the ceiling, the beautiful architecture of this place.
Wait, your hand. Put your hand in. It looked like you're wearing a blue glove.
Blue Man Group.
I see. And so why do they call it a theater? What's theater mean?
Well, I think they saw some guy was eating some lady out, and they said he ate her. I don't know.
Oh, all right. You can say goodnight, Dick.
Say goodnight, penis.